Hello, this tutorial will show you how to add an image or texture to your text in PowerPoint. To start, go to the Insert menu on the ribbon and we're going to use Word Art. So select Word Art, and I like to select this option here because you can see that it is clear, just an outline of text. Click on that, type the heading that you are going to use. I'm just going to highlight that and increase the font size. And you'll see on your, while you've got that highlighted, you'll see in the ribbon you've got the option for shape format that has appeared. And here you have the option of text fill. Just here. Click on that. Go down to picture. Click there. And here you have the option of either selecting a picture that or an image that you have on file, but we're going to use the search option here. I'm going to type an appropriate word, gold, and a number of images come up that are free for you to use. And you need to pick something that would be appropriate for this, so something that's fill the area. So this one here has some good texture and light, so I'll select that, select insert, and you'll see that it has filled the word. The other thing we need to do here is take off the text outline. So go up to your shape format option in the ribbon, click on text outline and select no outline. There it is. You'll see that the word has been filled quite well. I'll give you another example here. Let's go to a new slide. Again, go to insert, go to Word Art, I'll select the same option again, type the word and I'll increase the size. Highlight that, go to shape format, go to text fill, go down to picture. Because we're using the word office, let's look for a city. I'll select that one here, select insert, and you'll see how it's filled in there. And again, we can remove the text outline. There you go. That's how easy it is to add text or I should say an image or texture to your words. I hope you found that easy to follow, and I would if you could subscribe to the channel and please leave any comments. Thanks so much. Bye.